Introducing Lennox Mini-Split Ductless Systems. For individual rooms that are difficult to heat or cool, or multiple rooms, a Lennox Mini-Split system provides an ideal solution. It creates an environment that's as quiet and efficient as it is comfortable. Here's how it works. Your Lennox dealer mounts the indoor module and connects it to the outdoor module through one small hole in the wall. During the summer, your Lennox Mini-Split air conditioner or heat pump transfers heat from the indoor module to the outdoor module, so your rooms stay crisp and cool. But during the winter months, a Mini-Split heat pump reverses the process to draw heat in, keeping your rooms cozy and warm. Mini-Split ductless systems are an excellent choice for home offices, sunrooms, room additions, attic spaces, and any room without traditional ductwork. If you want to control comfort in more than one room, a single outdoor unit can work with up to 4 indoor modules, making installation easy. And each indoor module comes with its own remote control, so you can set your workout room at a different temperature from your upstairs guest bedroom. With your Mini-Split ductless system installed, you'll enjoy consistent, year-round comfort and energy efficiency, all backed by Lennox's long-standing commitment to innovation, quality, and performance. Get comfortable anywhere, anytime, with a Mini-Split ductless system available now from your local Lennox dealer.